Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a home during a home cleaning service. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Sam and Mina, and a home cleaner named Clara. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. When you clean a room, should you clean the top first or the floor first? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Mina, look at this room. It is so messy.
I know, there are clothes and books everywhere.
And my parents are coming tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Yes, we cannot clean all of this in one night.
True. The kitchen is bad too. The floor needs help.
So I did something. I called a home cleaning service.
A cleaning service? You mean someone comes to our house and cleans?
Yes, a person comes and helps us clean the rooms.
We have never done that before. Is it a good idea?
I think so. They are good at cleaning. It is their job.
Good. And maybe she can teach us some cleaning tips too.
Yes, a good cleaner knows many easy ways. Let's ask her today.
Then next time we can clean well by ourselves.
Exactly. Today we get a clean house and new tips.
How much does it cost?
We pay for the time, so it is not too much.
That sounds fine. When does the person come?
In a few minutes. Her name is Clara.
A few minutes? Then we should move some things now.
Wait, don't clean too much. Clara will help us.
But I feel a little shy. The room is so dirty.
It is okay. She cleans dirty rooms every day.
That is true. Okay, I feel better now.
Let's put the cups in the kitchen, just the big things.
Good idea. I will take these plates too.
And I will move these shoes to the door.
Where did all these magazines come from?
I don't know. We read them and then forget them.
That is true. Look, there is one under the sofa too.
Put that with the others. We can read them later.
This room is a mystery. A clean house sounds so nice now.
It does. Soon it will look lovely.
Tomorrow needs to look very good. My mother looks at everything.
I remember. She looked at our old room for a long time.
Yes, so we do need help today.
No problem. After today, the house will look new.
I hope so. Oh, the bell. Maybe that is Clara.
That was fast. Go and open the door.
Okay, I'm going. Wish me luck.
Hello, are you Clara from the cleaning service?
Yes, that's me. Nice to meet you. You must be Sam.
Yes, thank you for coming. Please come in.
Thank you. Oh, what a nice home. Please don't feel shy about the mess.
Thank you. We feel a little shy about it.
It's okay. I see many homes like this. It is very normal.
That makes me feel better. This is my first time using a service.
I understand. Let me explain how I work. It is easy.
Please do. I don't know where to start.
First, tell me, which rooms do you want me to clean?
The living room and the kitchen. Those are the dirtiest.
Good. Those two rooms are very important for guests.
Yes, my parents come tomorrow, so it needs to look nice.
I see. Then we will make those rooms shine.
How long will it take?
For 2 rooms, about 2 hours, maybe a little less.
That is faster than I thought.
I work fast because I have a plan. I don't waste time.
Can I help you, or should I just wait?
You can help. It is more fun and it goes faster.
Nice. I want to learn, too. Then I can clean better next time.
That's a good idea. I will teach you some easy tips.
Thank you. How do you start when a room is this messy?
I always work in steps. First we tidy, then we clean, then we check.
Tidy first. What do you mean by tidy?
We pick up the things on the floor, books, toys, and clothes.
Ah, so the floor is clear. Then we can clean it.
True, you cannot clean a floor full of things.
That makes sense. I always cleaned next to the mess.
Many people do. Tidy first and the rest is easy.
Good. Where do we start first?
Let's start in the living room. It is the biggest room.
Okay, follow me. Be careful, there are toys on the floor.
No problem. Toys are easy. Let me put my bag here.
Okay, do you need water or anything?
Not now, thank you. Let's begin. Time to make this room clean. Okay, Sam. First, look at the whole room. We need a plan.
A plan for cleaning? I always just start somewhere.
That is the common mistake. Here's my first tip. Clean from top to bottom.
Top to bottom? What does that mean?
Start high, then go low. Clean the shelves first and the floor last.
Why is that better?
Because dust falls down. When you clean high, the dust drops to the floor.
Oh, I see. So if I clean the floor first...
Yes, then the dust falls on your clean floor. You must do it again.
That makes so much sense. I always clean the floor first.
Many people do. Now you know. So let's start with this shelf.
Okay, should I move all the books?
Yes, take them off. I will clean the shelf, then we put them back.
Here you go. Wow, look at all this dust on top.
See? This dust was up high. Now we clean it before the floor.
This is much better. The shelf looks new.
Good. Now the table. Move the cups and clean the top.
Done. What about this window? It looks dirty too.
Good eye. But the window is high, so we clean it before the floor.
Top to bottom again.
Yes, you remember. Wipe it with a dry cloth first.
Like this? Oh, the dust is coming off.
Very nice. Now it lets in more light. The room feels lighter.
It does. So now the floor is the last step, yes?
Yes, you learn fast. The floor is always last.
I feel like a real cleaner now.
You are doing well. Now let's pick up these clothes.
Okay, I will put them in the basket.
Good. A clean floor needs an empty floor first.
This room looks bigger now. It feels nice.
Clean rooms always feel bigger. Now let's move to the kitchen.
The kitchen is scary. The pans are very dirty.
No problem. I have a tip for dirty pans too.
Oh, I want to hear it. Let's go.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is messy, meaning not clean and not in order. For example, my room is very messy today. The second word is tidy, meaning to put things in good order. For example, please tidy your desk before dinner. The third word is dust, meaning small dry dirt on things. For example, there is dust on the old shelf. The fourth word is shelf, meaning a board on a wall for things. For example, I put the books on the shelf. The fifth word is soap, meaning we use it with water to clean. For example, wash your hands with soap and water.
Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Sam in the kitchen.
Okay, the kitchen. Let's look at these pans first.
Yes, this one is the dirtiest. The old food is hard like a rock.
I see. Many people clean this with cold water. That is very hard.
That's true. I push and push, but the food stays.
Here is the tip. For a dirty pan, put hot water in it first.
Just hot water? And then what?
Wait a few minutes. The hot water makes the old food soft.
And soft food is easy to clean?
Yes, when it is soft, it comes off easy. You don't push hard.
That is so smart. Let me put hot water in now.
Good. While we wait, let's clean the sink.
The sink is full of dirty cups.
Let's wash them quickly. I wash, you dry. Is that okay?
Okay. You are very fast. I can't keep up.
Practice every day and you will be fast too.
What about the stove? It has old oil on it.
Wet cloth first. Let the warm water sit for 1 minute.
Then it wipes off easy, like the pan.
Yes, same idea. Warm water makes hard dirt soft.
I am learning the same tip again and again.
That's good. One simple idea cleans many things.
Okay, the cups are done. Let's check the pan now.
Look, touch the old food with this spoon.
Oh, wow. It is soft now. It comes off so easy.
See? Hot water did the work, not your hand.
This is so good. I will always do this now.
Good. Now wash the pan with soap and it is done.
Done. It looks like a new pan. I can see my face in it.
Very nice. The kitchen is looking clean now.
The whole house feels different, lighter somehow.
A clean kitchen makes the whole home feel fresh.
My parents will be so happy tomorrow.
They will. Okay, I think we are almost done here.
That was quick. You were so fast. Thank you so much.
Well, Sam, I am finished. Both rooms are clean now.
They look amazing. I can't believe it is the same house.
You helped a lot. That made it faster.
Thank you. So how much do I pay?
We finished in less than 2 hours, so it is a little cheaper.
Oh, good. Because I helped?
Yes. Remember, we pay for the time. Less time means less money.
That is good to know. So next time, I have an idea.
Tell me your idea.
Next time, I pick up the big things first. Then you have less work.
Exactly. You understand it now. A clean start saves you money.
That is a good tip. Pick up first, then call you.
Exactly. One more question for you?
Okay. Do you clean windows and bathrooms too?
Yes. We clean windows, floors, kitchens, and bathrooms.
Good. Maybe next time we ask for the whole house.
Yes. Just tell me when you call.
And how many people come for a big house?
For a big house, 2 of us come. Then it is faster.
That is good to know. You make it all so easy.
Okay. Now, let me give you one more tip before I go.
Please, I want to hear it.
Don't wait for a big mess. Clean a little every day.
Every day? But I am so busy.
Just 10 minutes. 10 minutes a day keeps the house nice.
Only 10 minutes? That sounds easy.
It is. A small clean every day stops the big mess.
So the room never gets this bad again.
Yes, 10 minutes today saves you 2 hours later.
I will do it. Mina will be happy to hear this.
I think she will. Well, here is my card.
Thank you. We will call you again next time.
Anytime. Your parents will love the clean house.
I hope so. Thank you for everything, Clara.
My pleasure. Have a nice day with your family. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Sam, she is gone? Wow, look at this room.
I know. It looks like a new house, yes?
It is so clean. The floor, the shelves, everything shines.
I helped with all of it, you know.
Did she clean the windows too?
Yes, and they let in so much light now.
I can see the garden clearly. It feels like a new home.
And it smells fresh, too.
It does. Your parents will love it here.
And the kitchen, too. Go and look at the pans.
Later, I am so happy with this room. How did you do it?
Clara taught me. She knows so many easy tips.
Oh, tell me one. I want to learn too.
Okay, first tip. Always clean from top to bottom.
Top to bottom? Why?
Because dust falls down, so you clean high first and the floor last.
Oh, that is smart. I always cleaned the floor first.
Me too, but it was wrong. The dust falls on the clean floor.
I see. What about the dirty pans? They were so hard.
Easy now. Put hot water in the pan first. It makes the food soft.
And then it comes off easy?
Yes, I did it myself. The pan looks new now.
You learned a lot today. Well done.
There's one more. We should clean 10 minutes every day.
10 minutes? That is not so long.
Yes, a little every day and the house never gets this messy.
I like that idea. Let's start after your parents leave.
Good plan. So are we set for them now?
Yes, the house is clean. We just need to cook good food.
We can do that together. The hard part is done.
Thanks to Clara, the service was worth the money.
Yes, it was. And now we know how to keep it clean.
Tomorrow will be so nice. Your parents will be happy.
I think so too. Let's relax now. We did a good job.
Yes, a clean home and a happy night. So nice.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. When you clean a room, should you clean the top first or the floor first? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.